Magnolia.
Yeah, napwerso man sila mag-mintis eh, pero hindi mo nakuha yung rebound.
7 seconds remaining sa shot clock ng Air. Ito na po ang ating Outlast 2 minutes. Atid sa inyo ng Outlast Maintenance Free Battery. Start agad.
At dito mo napapakinabangan ng gusto si Thomas, ano, dahil biro mo, that's his second straight offensive rebound.
So back to a 24-second shot clock for the Air 21 Express. You know, this is a crucial
Biro mo
stretch.
ilang segundo na yung sinasayang nila dito.
Oo.
Dalawang 24 seconds na yun eh.
So, yung sige, 48.
Hindi naman ha, mga 40-45 seconds ay nasayang nila eh. Ito tatlong 24 seconds. Halos isang minuto.
Ito naman si Gary David sumigit sa loob. Nako, naaagaw na tuluyan ng Magnolia. Mike Cortez, kailangan na nila magmadali dito. Ginugulo pa ni Arwin Santos. Still on the backboard is Mike Cortez. Naitawidan niya finally. Tumawag na ng timeout. 30-second timeout called by Coach Shotang Kinsen. He still has a minute and 33. And they're staring at a 7-point deficit.
93 seconds to turn things around.
Ito na ngayon si Mike Cortez. Mike Cortez, Siegel coming off the screen. Balik kay Mike Cortez. This will be a big one. Nag-mintis lang. Rebound by Bart Inglis. Putback is no good. Nandiyan na naman si Jamil Watkins.
Tatlong tira para sa Magnolia and naging productive yan. 29 points para kay Watkins.
Ito, more backcourt pressure. Na-double team dito si Gary David. Naitawid niya ng Air 21. Arboleda. Hindi na sila magmamadali ngayon.
But kailangan na maka-score dito para to put the game away.
Ito na nga, turnaround ni Ronnie Bill. Masyado lang malakas.
Magkado pa sila dyan, ha?
Good line. Ito naman ang kailangan magmadali. Itong si Mike Cortez. Very undecisive that time.
Ito, ngayon ang coffin. Sayang yun.
That could be the game turning point. Mike Cortez looking for a foul. None was given. 25 points for Gary David. What a comeback here by Gary David. Showing everyone that he is already 100% and helping itong Air 21 erect this lead. At ito na naman pong Pure Foods PJ Giants naman.
Running 8.
Oo.
Tom and Tex gunning for solo first.
Itong game naman natin ngayon, Magnolia at ang Air 21. Sinasabi nga natin, tabla. Gusto nila makaangat na at tatabla naman sila sa Coca-Cola Tigers
for third place.
So this is really a big game for both these teams. Siyempre, you want to start the second round on a high note dahil mo maubos na yung games dito sa ating elimination round.
Ay, hi sa inyo lahat. Hi din sa mga nanonood dyan sa Maynila.
Yes.
Nagpapabili sa akin ng kasoy, sabi hindi pwede.
Bakit?
Hindi kayo nagbigay ng pambili.
Okay.
Sina Elbert, Tarungaw, barkada dyan.
Puripot mo naman. Dami-dami mong...
Si Grace at si Idol. Yeah.
Yun, Idol. Alright, ito na ngayon, Mike Cortez looking for Siegel. Siegel coming off two screens. Siegel pulls up and he gets it. That's a TF press coming from Danny Siegel, and that's a big one for Magnolia. Total of 21 points for Danny Siegel.
At well-designed play, ano?
Oo, well-executed play also. So, it's only a 4-point lead. Actually, pwede nga hindi muna fumaul no? That time, only needed a stop.
Well, tignan natin, Arwin Santos, lalagay natin sa pressure cooker. Scoreless in the first half, but already 11 points, make that 12.
Alright. So, tignan natin, itong si Arwin Santos for the second free throw. The ball, nako, ito yung masama nangyari na naman para sa Magnolia.
Ang daming, retention ng ball possession, no? So, let's see, ito, fa-foul na naman. Ganun ba ang strategy?
Oo nga tignan natin. Ito si David, ginugulo nito si Don. Muntik maagaw. Gary David recovers. Arboleda shoots a three. No! Rebound to Jamil Watkins. At may loose ball foul pa.
Kailangan kailangan na ba talaga itira yun?
At yung shot clock nila that time, mga 10 seconds.
Kaya
Shot
nga
clock na yun.
Penalty na ito eh. Wala pa. Isa pa lang.
Oo. So ito, time out ulit ito si Coach Shot Atkinson. Kailangan gandahan nila ang execution dito sa play para magkaroon ng pag-asa. This will be a crucial offensive play para po sa Magnolia Beverage Masters.
Jamir, I want to step out. On both screens, most likely they'll do something. So Jamir, I need you rolling. Got that, okay? So do the same thing. Ping, close. Jamir, close. Right. Got that. Seagull. Don. Okay. So Mike gets the ball. Go in. Seagull curve. Okay. If one has Seagull, come out. Jamir, I need you to pop out. Ball screen. Got that. Okay. We need to foul.
Alright, yun ang instruction ni Coach Shot Atkinson. Well, twice off the timeout, Danny Seagal nga ang pinunta nila coming off multiple screens. So, ito si Danny Seagal ulit ang titignan nila. But, syempre, baka nga mag-adjust na yung depensa nitong Air 21. Let's see what happens. Ito na si Danny Seagal coming off the screen.
Yun ang adjustment to, no? He was fronted by Steven Thomas.
Actually, passing error yan on the part of Danny Seagal. Pwede nga ilab pa ng konti dahil mas matangkad naman to si Watkins kay Arwin Santos. Alright, really the turnovers ang problema ng Magnolia. 28 turnovers for Magnolia. Tuwan-tuwa po si Mr. Lito Alvarez, of course, of Air 21. And out of those 28 turnovers, that resulted in 31 big turnover points para sa Air 21 Express. As we take another timeout, we still have 17.4 seconds remaining. Don't go away. We'll be right back.
Tapos sa linggo, kuneto tayo.
Oo. So, interesting yan ha. Mas lalo yung first game, Red Bull at ang
Kaya nga, yung Red Bull, siyempre gusto niya number 1 din.
Oo.
Sakali. Solo first place kung sakali matalo ang Bluefish ang Torrentex mamaya.
At yun na nga, with that miss by Magnolia, it looks like Air 21 will nail their 6th win. At ito na nga, holding their opponent to less than 100 points.
Less than 90 pa nga eh.
Less than 90 pa. So, yun na nga, 10-0 sila when they are holding their opponents to less than 100 points. So, tama yung defensive philosophy na ini-instill ngayon ni Coach Bob Perasol para dito nga sa Air 21 Express.
So kung si Nino Canaleta ang bida sa fourth quarter nung nakaraang game nila, si Arwin ngayon, 13 points in the fourth quarter.
In the fourth quarter. Don for 3 and he knocks down that TM to less. It's a 5-point deficit ngayon para sa Magnolia and they're still hoping
Really,
na magmimintis. Oo, ito si Egay Billones. Maybe get a quick 3 again.
Well,
Hoping for a miracle.
okay, nasa Antipolo tayo eh. Ano naman, pagka buwan ng Mayo,
Ano?
papanik yung mga dito, deboto, di ba?
Ganun ba? Hindi
Summer.
ko alam yun eh.
Yung papanik dito.
O ito, nagmintis ito si Egay Billones sa unang free throw.
One of two para kay Billones. That would seal it.
Ito naman, long inbound. Tiberos, Pintes, he was asking for a foul and that will do it mga kaibigan para po dito sa